Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how I make my own wreath frames to make my wreaths. This is a 14-inch, so I'm going to take just regular pipe cleaners and I'm going to bring them over and twist and twist. I'm going to go on every crossbar for the top layer, which is 6. Just gonna pull it, twist, and twist. And I'm gonna do this all the way around. Now, I went around the top 2 bars and on each crossbar. Now I'm going to the outer 2 bars, and on one I'm going to put on one space here I'm going to put one pipe cleaner. Then I'm going to go 2 pipe cleaners, 1 pipe cleaner, 2 pipe cleaners, back and forth until I reach all the way around. So the first one we'll go with 1, pull it, twist, and twist. I'm going to put this one kind of over to the side a little bit, because our goal is to kind of keep them spaced about the same going around. So this one we're going to do 2, twist, twist. Some people put a dab of hot glue on there. I don't, because by the time you get your mesh on there, it's going to hold it in place. It's not going to have room to move. So I have seen people do that, but I don't. I've never had that problem of them moving once you get your mesh on. After you get your pipe cleaners on, you can then make the decision to use 1 layer or 2 layers of mesh, in which, if you're wanting a low profile wreath, then you just use 1 layer of mesh all the way around. If you're wanting a deep profile of a wreath, which is bulky, then you'll use 2. So that is how I make my wreath frames, and they will come up. I will show you the difference. This is called a flat wreath frame. It's got a little bit of a little hump there, but let me show you the difference. So this is what they call a flat. Dollar Tree. You can get these frames at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, or Walmart, and you can make your own. This is what they call a raised wreath frame, which you see it doesn't have as many wires going around, but you can get them where they're thicker, so it's actually raised. So let me show you the difference in a flat wreath frame that has 1 layer of mesh or 2 layers. This wreath has 1 layer of mesh. It's still beautiful. You cannot see through it. It's a little thicker where the bow is. You can put embellishments on it. I do recommend doing your hot glue on your ribbons, in between your ribbons, so that it sticks and it doesn't have hot glue. Hot glue will not melt, but it'll turn white on your mesh. So this is 1 layer of mesh. You can see there how it's a thinner wreath. Now, that was done on a flat frame. This one was done on a flat frame, and look how thick it is. It's got 2 layers of mesh. So this one is a large profile. See how thick it is. So just your mesh and your ribbon is standing about 7.5 inches tall, just here on this side without the bow. So you can get a full thick wreath with a flat frame. And right here, it's standing at 11 inches from the top of here all the way to the bottom. So this one versus, not enough room here, this one. You still cannot see through either one of them. They still look beautiful. One just doesn't have as much product as the other one. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little know-how, little information about how I do my wreath frames. Thank y'all. I hope you hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and come back and see me again. Thank you. Have a great and blessed day.